Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Naturalhub, where we dive into the essentials of nutrition and wellness. Today, we're spotlighting a crucial nutrient that often flies under the radar, vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin. We'll explore its incredible health benefits, the best food sources, and the recommended daily intake. So let's get started. What is vitamin B2? Let's kick things off by understanding what vitamin B2 is. Riboflavin is a key player in our body's energy production and overall well-being. It acts as a building block for growth and red blood cell production, and is vital for releasing energy from proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Riboflavin is also crucial in maintaining healthy skin, eyes, and nervous system function. Plus, it enhances our body's ability to withstand stress, a real must-have in our daily diet. Now let's dive into some of the amazing health benefits of vitamin B2. Energy production. Riboflavin helps convert food into energy, playing a pivotal role in the metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Eye health. It protects the eyes from light-induced damage and can reduce the risk of cataracts. Skin and hair health. Vitamin B2 maintains collagen levels, which keeps our skin and hair vibrant and healthy. Nervous system support. It aids in the development and function of the brain and nervous system, promoting mental clarity and neurological health. Wondering how to incorporate more vitamin B2 into your diet? Here are some top food sources. Dairy products, milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources. Eggs, particularly the yolks. Lean meats includes organ meats like liver and kidney. Green vegetables, such as broccoli, spinach, and asparagus. Nuts and seeds. Almonds and sunflower seeds are great options. Whole grains. Choose fortified breads and cereals. So, how much vitamin B2 do you need? The daily recommended intake varies. Adult men, 0.3 milligram. Adult women, 1.1 milligram. Pregnant women, 1.4 milligram. Breastfeeding women, 1.6 milligram. It's usually easy to achieve these levels through a balanced diet, but supplements are available if you're concerned about deficiencies. In conclusion, vitamin B2 is a powerhouse vitamin with numerous health benefits, from boosting energy to protecting our eyesight. By including a variety of B2-rich foods in our diet, we can support our body's overall health and vitality. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more nutritional insights. Don't forget to share your thoughts and any questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you.